completely dead cell. One is completely dead. And I don't have any spares because this is a strange battery. It's all joined together and everything here. Oh well, it's gonna be dead for a little while. I'm gonna have to just tether it to a wall outlet. Oh! Whoa! That's not normal. That shouldn't happen. It's gonna go, yeah, it's gonna go, yeah, it's gone over in the overload protection. This laser diode has burned out. I've set it the strongest it can go, but this chip does not like it. The Cheertech CT909R. I thought these things are always just SunPlus chips with this splash screen on it, but I guess not. Yeah, let's take a look at how dim the laser is. Yeah, that's current overload protection. And I won't snap out of that because this chip is literally burning hot. I think that's the DVD chip, but I think it's called an internal overload protection. Yeah, it just instantly goes dim now. I think this laser's slowly cooking itself because I had to adjust it like to get it working at first, and now it's broken again. I'm gonna have to look for a new laser alongside a new battery. Yeah, one of the cells is completely cooked. Look, and I can actually smell lithium smell. And I tried charging the cell, and it's a completely open circuit. It even goes reverse charge when it's on. Wow. Oh. The left one is quieter than the right one right there, and it's just mids. Came with my new TV, although the laser needs replacing. What? Oh! Whoa! Okay. I think the electronics are going bad on this one. Wait. What? Yeah, it takes a long while to initialize for some reason. Okay. Hang on. That's not normal. Oh, there we go. Take a listen. Oh, that sounds a bit better. Could peel them apart like an orange. Oh, yeah, the bass just went away. These things sound absolutely awful. This is the failed burn disc again, which will only go up to track 9.